page again and welcome to my channel again. So I have been asked a lot of questions about how I basically record my videos. So here's how I actually do it. So I'll give you like 2-3 options. So basically how you do it. So if it's on, so make sure your focus is set and you can just like move around left and right as well, and make sure it is set properly if you have a good cam. This always gives you a good clarity on how your picture looks. Okay. And also makes a video editing more easier. And I will tell you the pros and cons using a DSLR or a cell phone or a webcam. So I have a DSLR and also which I'm using as a phone, and as well as I have a webcam over here, so which I basically use for the recordings. So you gotta keep in mind few aspects what you need. So basically you would need a tripod and a DSLR camera for a neat recording. Okay, 2. And 3rd, now you need a light source, which is like pretty important. Okay, like if you're working in a day or night doesn't matter, but light source is very important because I have a rechargeable bulb over here. So when I record, I just make sure if I want it over here or on the right or on above head for your drawings or your sketches or anything, any craft work you do, because light source plays a huge important depending. Okay, 2, the light source. 3rd, if you're doing a tutorial, like you need a microphone. So that's one of the important aspects with a stand. So advantages like you can use this light source, turn it on, you can just like hang it right over here, and now you'll have a good source. The best part is you can move this, either up, down, left, right, as well as you can speak up in the microphone. So that's the best part. Okay, now this is trick 1, using the DSLR. Okay, let's say you don't have a DSLR or a cam, so why not let me go with the phone. Okay, here's the thing, with the cell phone it takes a lot of memory to record, because these days you can record up to 4K, right? So let's say for example 1 minute video of even just like 1080p or 2K will cost you more than 500 MB to 700 MB for 1 minute. Drawings would take like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, so you cannot just record it over the phone unless you have a huge storage. Plus, if you're using actually phone in a time-lapse mode, it could still work, but you would not be able to edit well in the software. Frame rate would actually matter in this, and while using a cell phone would not matter the frame rate, because the smooth functioning will come from actual camera, because it's meant for it, not the phone. Phone is meant for calling and stuff. Yeah, we can have a debate over it, but again, you would know what I'm talking about. So basically how I would record, so I would basically, for short terms I would use my DSLR, for long terms I would use my webcam. So this would be an easy option, because the best part is you can just like move however you want and place it wherever you want. The same way it's gonna like move around, your focus point is gonna change, and plus give a lot of clarity about your artwork. It's not bad, it's convenient, as well as it will be recorded on time on your laptop, which will be like easy for editing. Okay, now since webcam is like this, I'm gonna give you a trick how you can actually place your webcam over here, over that, and remove DSLR camera. If you have a webcam, it's much easier, and how we can do it, I'm gonna just show that in a second. So what I did was I took off my camera. Okay, so now here's the DSLR. So here's the trick to record, not this way around, because if you try to record, the 3rd leg will be been shown. So you gotta keep it like this. Okay, and make sure handlebar is on your right side. Make sure it's loose, and make sure everything is like how you want settings, so you can like move around left and right or up or down. Okay, and now the important part. So this is the key scale for recording. So what you do is like, say you have this tripod section, right? So just like insert the scale, like just over here, insert the scale, right? And now you have a basic stand, right? So you take the webcam, take it over and place it and clip on. So you can use whatever scales you want, okay, and you gotta make sure it is clipped downwards. Let me just do it for a second. So I have placed my webcam. Look, it has to balance it out. It's cross, it's still fine. Now if you look at this, so this is my webcam placed and the wire is directly connected to the wire I used before. And now if you see here, this is my recording session, okay? Now what you do is like you adjust, you just adjust it however you want. And now the important thing is like this is a very close contact from my heart to from here to here, so you have to increase your height a bit. You can just like move around your artwork, place it and right in the center, and you can just, by using mouse cursors, you can just like start recording. Easy as that. It will be onto the laptop. You can see the clarity is pretty good. You have the photo option, video option. Just tap onto the video and you just press record. So 3, 2, 1, it will start recording. It'll keep going until unless whenever you want to stop. I have done this for almost 3 to 4 hours straight. So this is how I do my artwork. It's much. So if you guys, if you like this video, it was helpful, please give a thumbs up. That would help me to do a lot of more videos and more of hacks coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is helpful. Good luck.